So ride update is I have almost got half of the distance towards Bangalore. I know these kind of things are very boring for me. I'm really sorry if these videos are not at all entertaining for you. But I can't help it, man. I am kind of boring actually. My forte is technical things on how it is built and technical terms, but not anything these rides and everything. Maybe that's the reason why all my travel videos have no views at all. But my technical videos, even when I started like 5-6 years ago, and I had almost like what 50-60 subscribers, but still I used to get 10k 5k. Some videos have got even 15 to 20k views as well. So I think I should probably go towards the technical aspect itself. So if I get a good spot somewhere over here, I will review this bike, the CBR 250R. Many people are still asking me that can I buy this in the used market, can I buy this second hand, can I buy this now, how's the maintenance and all those things. I will make a video on this right now if I get a good spot somewhere, because that is more of my forte. I'll tell you pinpoint about this bike in terms of technical terms and why I chose this over all the other bikes when I wanted to buy a bike. Around 2018, that's when I was eligible for my license. So I wanted to get the license, and but I did not have a bike. So, and I did not know how to ride a bike as well. I never rode a scooty or anything. Excel, nothing. I had no experience at all. I forgot the road. Just checking the maps right now. Oh, road, correct. Oh, I should go in that road. So what I was telling, yeah, when I did not have any experience, but I had this craze for bikes and cars because around 2013, 14, 15, 16, when I was in my 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th class, there was this show called, I think, Mega Factories or something like that in National Geography. It used to be for 1 hour, and they used to showcase this automobile manufacturing, like how it is manufactured, how it is designed, and all that history of that car or the bike or anything. And the first show what I saw was a Ducati Superleggera 1199. So that was the first show that I saw in National Geographic in that Mega Factories. After that, I saw Nissan GTR, the Lexus LFA, I think Lexus LFA or the Lexus RCF. I don't remember quite well, but it was a Lexus. Then I saw the McLaren P1. You know, all these cars and bikes and all these things, and it got me fascinated. Really like I used to get up in the morning because that show was repeated twice or thrice in a day, and every week or every month one new episode used to come, and the new episode would come morning at 5 or 6 o'clock, and it used to repeat twice or thrice, I think, once in the afternoon or in the evening around 3 or 4 o'clock, But at that time, I used to be in school, and I had to. I used to play with my friends, so I was not able to watch. This was in ninth and 10th. 6th, 7th, 8th. In that class, we did not have even a TV. So in ninth and 10th, I used to play with my friends outside, so I was not able to watch these shows. So I used to get up early in the morning and I used to watch this show. It was that kind of fascination for me towards automobiles. Then I decided that I will become an automobile engineer. Then I got into engineering. I did my automobile design and engineering, but right now doing an IT job. I have no choice, man. That's all. But inside is that, what do you call, the designer urge is there, and I don't want to kill it. So let me see what can I do. Look, I have this 150R and I have done a lot of things to it. If anyone is interested, please let me know. I will showcase every technical bit of it. I don't know, maybe you guys can also, I think you guys can also learn few things. I'll definitely share those technical things. I'm 100% sure that you guys will learn something or the other. I think I lost my way. Yeah, I think I lost. Let me see. Uh, it's so hot, man. It's so hot. And I'm losing my way. It's telling me to go from here and take immediate right. Oh, I don't know what this road is, but I've lost my way. ಅಣ್ಣ ಆ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾರೋಡಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ನಾನು? ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇವಾಗ? ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹತ್ರ? ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹಾಂ 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 ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಏನು?
ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ಊರಿಂದ ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಯಾಕೆ?
ಸರ್ ಲಾಗರಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅದೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಬಟ್ ನಾನೇನು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದೇನು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಮೆಮೊರೀಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಊರೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೀವು
ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಊರು.
ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
SLC.
ನೀನು SSLC ಏನೋ? ಲೇ ಅಪ್ಪ, ನಾವು SSLCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನೀನು SSLCನಾ? ನೀನು SSLCನಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿನ್ನ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಬೈಲಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು ವಯಸ್ಸು ನಿನಗೆ? ನೀನು 14? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದೇವ್ರೇ, ನಿನಗೆ 14ಏನೋ? ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ನು. ವೆಜ್ಜಾ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ಜಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆಜ್ಜಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗಿರೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ರಜೆ ಹಂಗಾದರೆ? ರಜಾನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಫ್ ಡೇ.
ಓ ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಡೇ. ನಮ್ಮದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮುಗಿದು ಒಂದು 10 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡಿ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ತೇಜ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು.
ತೇಜ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ.
ತೇಜ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ 1210 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕು ನನಗೆ. ಈ ಊರ ಹೆಸರಿಗೆ ಐತೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕು, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರಿನಾ? ಬಾಯ್. ಏನು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಹೌಸ್. ನೀನು?
ಹಾಫೀಸ್.
ಹಫೀಸ್. ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ಬಾಯ್.